Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to uninstall WPS Office from PC or laptop. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, right-click on your taskbar and select Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, use the search bar to search for WPS. If you find any WPS-related processes running, right-click on them and select End Task. Once that's done, move on to the next step. Go to Windows Search Bar and open your settings. When the Settings window opens, select Apps from the left side menu and then click on Installed Apps. In the search bar, type WPS to locate WPS Office and any related WPS programs installed on your computer. Once you find WPS Office, click the three-dot menu beside it and choose Uninstall. Click Uninstall again to confirm. Wait for the uninstall process to complete. Once it finishes, WPS Office should be removed from your system. As an extra step, restart your computer. You can also search for WPS on your PC to check for any remaining files or folders. If you find any leftover WPS folders, simply delete them. After doing that, WPS Office and its associated data should be completely removed from your computer. And that's it! So that's basically how you can uninstall WPS Office from PC or laptop. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.